Hi, I'm Anna Jones and this is the first of my series of simple suppers for the pool. My April recipe is a one-pan Genovese pasta, so the sauce, the pasta, everything's done in the pan. There's asparagus, new potatoes, basil, all those fresh, lovely spring flavours. So first, find a shallow pan with the lid, put it on your hob and put the pasta in. Snap the woody bottoms off your asparagus, cut the stems of the asparagus into little half-centimetre coins, keeping the tips intact. Keep the tips to one side for later and throw the coins into the pan with the pasta. Finely slice the cooked potatoes and add them to the pan. Peel and finely slice your garlic and add this to the pan along with the green beans. Use a fine grater to grate the zest of both lemons into the pan and add a teaspoon of sea salt and 100 ml of olive oil. Next, add a litre of boiling water from the kettle. Put the lid onto your pan, turn the heat on to maximum and bring it to the boil. As soon as it comes to the boil, remove the lid and simmer on a high heat for 8 minutes, turning the pasta with a pair of tongs every 30 seconds or so. Once the pasta's had 8 minutes, stir through the asparagus tips and tear over the basil. Simmer everything for a final 2 minutes. Once almost all the water has evaporated, take the pan off the heat and leave it to sit for a few minutes so that the pasta can absorb the last bit of the water and form a lovely, creamy, lemony sauce. Twirl the pasta into 4 bowls and top with a final grating of parmesan. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more videos from the pool, please just click subscribe.